Namaste. Welcome, and thank you very much for taking out your time and joining us today. Today we will experience together a very special process. It's a process that will help us connect with ourselves, with our heart, with the qualities of our heart. Those divine qualities that we, day in and day out, are longing to experience. And they are within us, we just need to connect back. That love, the joy, the happiness, the freedom, the strength, the courage, the patience, and so on. The process will not only help us to connect with ourselves, but with the divine within us. So why are we doing this process today? Maitre Boat Parivar, as a social spiritual organization, from time to time organizes these meditative processes or with different meditations to help humanity align with the need of the time, with the current energies, with the shift that is happening, allowing us to flow smoothly through those changes in this transformational period. We work towards the transformation, the spiritual transformation of humanity. And what is that? That is simply nothing else than in a world which we now experience full of division, experience that oneness, which is the truth. Experience that unconditional love, which is the truth. And that happens when we connect back to ourselves. That is the first step. To experience ultimately that divine within us. So the divine light, the image that you see behind me, is a blessed image. It's an active image by Maitreya Dadashriji. And in this time of change, in this time of disruption, of transformation, this divine light is your friend on your side, is your guide. It is nothing else than a message of unconditional love. It represents, it manifests that energy of love that we all carry within us, that love that is divine. The divine light helps you on your transformational journey. It guides you from within. It protects you. And whenever you need help, you can just be in the presence of the divine light and just experience what happens within, the shift that you feel within. And in whatever form you connect with the divine, in any name or formless, ultimately that energy is there deep within you. It is that what guides you. And the divine light, representing the entire universal divine consciousness, helps you to connect back to that energy, to that part of the source that you carry within you. So today the process that we are going to experience together, the Mahavishnu Ashtota Shatanamavali. For many of you it might be a very new process, so we invite you to just flow along with it. It is a process where we express our love to the divine, where we express the love by praising the divine, by praising the different qualities of the divine. Those divine qualities that we also carry within us, because we are part of that source, we carry that within us. And by praising that, by recitating those names, those divine energies get awakened within us. And the current time needs that, it requires that. So this process allows us to naturally and in a very beautiful way, in a way full of devotion and of love, align with the current qualities of the time. So you may just chant along. If you know some of the names, you may just close your eyes and just flow along with it, And just be completely open to receive that love, that grace, experience that within you awakening. So without any further delay, we will start now. What we will be doing is, by the name of the 108 names that we recite, we will offer flower petals. So if you follow from home, you may do the same, or you may just flow along with us. And we offer those flower petals to the Padukas, the divine sandals, and they represent the divine consciousness. So we bow down, we offer our love to that entire divine consciousness. And by that, we awaken the divine within us, connecting with our true self. Om Jyotirupaya Param Sakhaya Paramanandaya Dadashriji Namo Namaha. Om Jyotirupaya Param Sakhaya Paramanandaya Dadashriji Namo Namaha. Om Jyotirupaya Param Sakhaya Paramanandaya Dadashriji Namo Namaha. Dadashriji Namo Namaha. Dadashriji Namo Namaha. Let us now speak the prayer. Dear Divine, let me find refuge in your divine lotus feet. Please be always with me, guiding me, helping me, and protecting me. Please always shower your grace and blessings on me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, dear Divine.
Om Keshawaya Namaha.
Om Keshawaya Namaha.
Om Narayanaya Namaha.
Om Narayanaya Namaha.
Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Govinda
नमः
ॐ विष्णवे नमः
ॐ विष्णवे नमः
ॐ सङ्कर्षणाय नमः
ॐ सङ्कर्षणाय नमः
ॐ महाबलाय नमः
ॐ महाबलाय नमः
ॐ प्रद्युम्नाय नमः
ॐ प्रद्युम्नाय नमः
ॐ अनिरुद्धाय नमः
ॐ अनिरुद्धाय नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ नरसिंहाय नमः
ॐ नरसिंहाय नमः
ॐ महावराहाय नमः
ॐ महावराहाय नमः
ॐ पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः
ॐ पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः
ॐ अच्युताय नमः
ॐ अच्युताय नमः
ॐ त्रिविक्रमाय नमः
ॐ त्रिविक्रमाय नमः
ॐ चतुर्भुजाय नमः
ॐ चतुर्भुजाय नमः
ॐ सुदर्शनाय नमः
ॐ सुदर्शनाय नमः
ॐ पाञ्चजन्याय नमः
ॐ पाञ्चजन्याय नमः
ॐ गदायै नमः
ॐ गदायै नमः
ॐ वनमालिने नमः
ॐ वनमालिने नमः
ॐ श्रीवत्साय नमः
ॐ श्रीवत्साय नमः
ॐ सूक्ष्माय नमः
ॐ सूक्ष्माय नमः
ॐ परमतत्त्वाय नमः
ॐ परमतत्त्वाय नमः
ॐ अनन्ताय नमः
ॐ अनन्ताय नमः
ॐ श्रीधराय नमः
ॐ श्रीधराय नमः
ॐ वासुदेवाय नमः
ॐ वासुदेवाय नमः
ॐ ऋषिकेशाय नमः
ॐ ऋषिकेशाय नमः
ॐ वैकुण्ठाय नमः
ॐ वैकुण्ठाय नमः
ॐ पद्मनाभाय नमः
ॐ पद्मनाभाय
ॐ श्रीनिवासाय नमः।
ॐ श्रीनिवासाय नमः।
ॐ सहस्राक्षाय नमः।
ॐ सहस्राक्षाय नमः।
ॐ कौस्तुभधराय नमः।
ॐ कौस्तुभधराय नमः।
ॐ अधोक्षजाय नमः।
ॐ अधोक्षजाय नमः।
ॐ अवधूताय नमः।
ॐ अवधूताय नमः।
ॐ हरये नमः।
ॐ हरये नमः।
ॐ प्रणवाय नमः।
ॐ प्रणवाय नमः।
ॐ परमात्मने नमः।
ॐ परमात्मने नमः।
ॐ अमोघाय नमः।
ॐ अमोघाय नमः।
ॐ शिवाय नमः।
ॐ शिवाय नमः।
ॐ वामनाय नमः।
ॐ वामनाय नमः।
ॐ ध्रुवाय नमः।
ॐ ध्रुवाय नमः।
ॐ शाश्वताय नमः।
ॐ शाश्वताय नमः।
ॐ पवित्राय नमः।
ॐ पवित्राय नमः।
ॐ पुण्डरीकाक्षाय नमः।
ॐ पुण्डरीकाक्षाय नमः।
ॐ विशुद्धात्मने नमः।
ॐ विशुद्धात्मने नमः।
ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः।
ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः।
ॐ ज्योतिरूपाय नमः।
ॐ ज्योतिरूपाय नमः।
ॐ रामाय नमः।
ॐ रामाय नमः।
ॐ कृष्णाय नमः।
ॐ कृष्णाय नमः।
ॐ कलिविनाशकाय नमः।
ॐ कलिविनाशकाय नमः।
ॐ धर्मरक्षकाय नमः।
ॐ धर्मरक्षकाय नमः।
ॐ धर्मसंस्थापकाय नमः।
ॐ धर्मसंस्थापकाय नमः।
ॐ युगपरिवर्तकाय नमः।
ॐ युगपरिवर्तकाय नमः।
ॐ परमसखाय नमः। ॐ भक्तवत्सलाय नमः।
भक्तवत्सलाय नमः।
ॐ दयानिधये नमः।
दयानिधये नमः।
ॐ भक्तरक्षकाय नमः।
भक्तरक्षकाय नमः।
ॐ जनार्दनाय नमः।
जनार्दनाय नमः।
ॐ सर्वजनप्रियाय नमः।
सर्वजनप्रियाय नमः।
ॐ मैत्रेयाय नमः।
मैत्रेयाय नमः।
ॐ कल्किने नमः।
कल्पिने नमः।
ॐ अन्तर्यामिने नमः।
अन्तर्यामिने नमः।
ॐ परमानन्दाय नमः।
परमानन्दाय नमः।
ॐ सोमाय नमः।
सोमाय नमः।
ॐ भेषजाय नमः।
भेषजाय नमः।
ॐ निरामयाय नमः।
निरामयाय नमः।
ॐ सहस्रमूर्तये नमः।
सहस्रमूर्तये नमः।
ॐ विराटाय नमः।
विराटाय नमः।
ॐ कालाय नमः।
कालाय नमः।
ॐ तारकाय नमः।
तारकाय नमः।
ॐ हविर्हरये नमः।
हविर्हरये नमः।
ॐ उग्राय नमः।
उग्राय नमः।
ॐ शङ्खभृते नमः।
शङ्खभृते नमः।
ॐ चक्रगदाधराय नमः।
चक्रगदाधराय नमः।
ॐ नन्दकिने नमः।
नन्दकिने नमः।
ॐ सर्वशस्त्रभृताम्बराय नमः।
सर्वशस्त्रभृताम्बराय नमः।
ॐ यज्ञाय नमः।
यज्ञाय नमः।
ॐ धर्मिणे नमः।
धर्मिणे नमः।
ॐ सर्वज्ञाय नमः।
सर्वज्ञाय नमः।
ॐ त्रिलोकात्मने नमः।
त्रिलोकात्मने ॐ सर्वसहाय नमः।
ॐ प्रीतिवर्धनाय नमः।
ॐ प्रीतिवर्धनाय नमः।
ॐ सुखवर्धनाय नमः।
ॐ सुखवर्धनाय नमः।
ॐ अद्भुताय नमः।
ॐ अद्भुताय नमः।
ॐ लोकाधिष्ठानाय नमः।
ॐ लोकाधिष्ठानाय नमः।
ॐ सूर्याय नमः।
ॐ सूर्याय नमः।
ॐ पुण्याय नमः।
ॐ पुण्याय नमः।
ॐ महापातकनाशनाय नमः।
ॐ महापातकनाशनाय नमः।
ॐ सर्वप्रहरणायुधाय नमः।
ॐ सर्वप्रहरणायुधाय नमः।
ॐ मुक्तिप्रदात्रे नमः।
ॐ मुक्तिप्रदात्रे नमः।
ॐ योगिनां पतये नमः।
ॐ योगिनां पतये नमः।
ॐ मायिने नमः।
ॐ मायिने नमः।
ॐ सर्वेश्वराय नमः।
ॐ सर्वेश्वराय नमः।
ॐ अक्षराय नमः।
ॐ अक्षराय नमः।
ॐ सिद्धिदात्रे नमः।
ॐ सिद्धिदात्रे नमः।
ॐ सर्वव्यापकाय नमः।
ॐ सर्वव्यापकाय नमः।
ॐ प्राणाय नमः।
ॐ प्राणाय नमः।
ॐ दत्तात्रेयाय नमः।
ॐ दत्तात्रेयाय नमः।
ॐ प्रेमलोकाधिपतये नमः।
ॐ प्रेमलोकाधिपतये नमः।
ॐ सप्तवाहनाय नमः।
ॐ सप्तवाहनाय नमः।
ॐ महाहृदाय नमः।
ॐ महाहृदाय नमः।
ॐ परात्पराय नमः।
ॐ परात्पराय नमः।
ॐ सुवर्णवर्णाय नमः।
ॐ सुवर्णवर्णाय नमः।
ॐ कैवल्याय नमः।
ॐ कैवल्याय नमः।
ॐ अमृताय नमः।
ॐ अमृताय नमः।
इति श्रीमहाविष्णु अष्टोत्तरशतनामावली सम्पूर्णम्।
You may now just be with this energy, just be with yourself and completely imbibe those beautiful vibrations of love, of gratitude, of grace, of divine blessings. Thank you for having been with us, for having taken out your time. Stay connected with us, stay with us when we meet the next days for the Mahavishnu Ashtotara Shatanamavali. We are looking forward to walking that journey together with you.